Yo, it's your boy Tyrone. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get an apartment using a CPN. So, of course, you guys can get into an apartment without a CPN. It all comes down to what's on your credit. If you guys have evictions on your credit, bankruptcies, most likely you won't get approved. Now, you need a decent credit score. You can get around a 600, but having collections will hinder your approval rate. So people use CPNs for apartments all the time. So before you guys apply, make sure you guys find an affordable apartment in your area. So if you guys are in the city, it could be expensive, right? If you guys get one, in a suburban area, depending on the area, right? If it's like a low income, middle class area, you could find some that's around your budget. So just for example, around 1,200 to 2,000 is a pretty affordable price. But if you make, $3K a month, it's better just to get a roommate or you have to, split the payment. So to get approved, you will need some rental history or get a co-signer. So how to add rental history? You guys can go on Trayline Privacy and add 2 years for only $150. So 2 years of history. This will report in 7 days to all 3 bureaus. And the trade line is pretty much permanent. It lasts for 7 years. So all you do is to provide the CPN information over to the company after you have made the purchase. So just hit buy now. You'll be directed to a checkout page where you make the payment, you fill out the billing, you complete the order. Okay. But you will need a deposit down. 125, finding an apartment with no deposit is kind of rare. If you can find one, go through them. But most likely when you move in, it's going to cost about, $4,000, right? Sometimes or more, depending on the place. So if you guys need, to come up with a deposit, try to save up. Or I recommend you guys get the Cash App accounts, You guys can get up to 15K, but if you only need 3 to 5K, the fee is pretty low. So for the account, it'll be $250, and they add the funds through a CPN credit card. They apply credit cards to the CPN. This is a verified CPN account. So you guys can get the funds, log into the account, transfer to your Cash App, or link a debit card, cash out. Use the funds to pay for the deposit down. Some apartments ask for 2 months, but that's if you're in a rich area. But most likely, the CPN, you need 2 years of history, right? And they will need job verification, but you could just send over your bank statements. Some will ask for bank statements. Some will ask for tax returns. So if you need tax returns, you guys can go to the document service, right? So if you guys have a CPN and you're lacking documents, you can get all the tax returns, your bank statements, your pay stubs, hard copies, will be delivered over, the mail within, a week. Your SN scan, your DL scans. So, but all the hard copy documents will be $400, which is actually pretty good. So with Trayline Privacy, you can do anything. You can actually use a CPN right here to apply for the apartment. But really all you need is sell on your credit score. This one, the 800, is if you try and get approved for a loan and stuff, credit cards. Another site I recommend you guys check out will be Trayline, CPNpackage.com. You guys can use these for the apartment or home rentals. Just the $299 is all you need, to be honest. These other ones are just mainly for higher credit lines, like higher loan approvals and credit cards. So definitely check out CPN Package. But to get approved, really have a good credit score on the CPN. Rental history is crucial, but if you guys get a pre-made CPN, you could add your name on it, and it could take a week, and it will come with rental history already. So make sure you guys have rental history, and have your tax returns, your bank statements. Apply online, you get approved, you go in, sign the paperwork, you get the keys, make the deposit down, and you get into your apartment. All right. So if you guys need the deposit money, get the verified Cash App accounts. But I'm pretty much telling you guys the whole method on how to get the apartment, but it applies for rental homes. So you guys try to get a rental home with a driveway, because I know apartments can be annoying. They have a gate and stuff. You got to type in the code. Definitely try to get a home. But you can get, multiple properties, right, under a CPN, and you guys can rent them out, make money every month. But I'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching.